Hello, I'm Mark Leclerc, NoviFlow's Vice President of Marketing. This video introduces NoviFlow's NoviBroker and Operational Monitoring Suite designed specifically for communication service providers. It presents the key technical capabilities that differentiate our solution and the business benefits delivered to our customers. First, NoviFlow has reinvented the next generation of hardware-based network packet broker and visibility solutions by focusing only on those features and functions specifically needed by CSPs at the network edge. Our NoviBroker packet broker solution sits at the perimeter of the network to deliver high-performance filtering, replication, aggregation at terabit scale. When combined with our Novi Analytics and Novi Dashboard monitoring, visualization, and analytics, CSPs gain an unprecedented awareness and control of network flows and tools, greatly simplified management and operations, and a whole new way to instantly identify the root cause of packet broker-related problems. So what makes these solutions a new breed of network packet broker designed for communication service providers? These solutions build upon NoviFlow's decade of product design expertise, integrating best-in-class programmable networking technology, and on our experience in deploying these products with major network operators around the world. So how does NoviFlow's NoviBroker Visibility Suite constitute a new class of network packet broker? Let's start with the networking technology at the heart of our solutions, Intel's Intelligent Fabric Processor, IFP, that makes it possible for NoviFlow to deliver far more packet brokering functionality at a much lower price point. Compared to previous generations of hardware substrates, IFP provides enhanced silicon support and better programmability, enabling the implementation of far more advanced filtering capabilities at multi-terabit speeds. Its programmability also makes possible the implementation of advanced carrier-focused features such as GTP and MPLS header slicing and deduplication based on packet shape. Also, new protocol encapsulation support can be rapidly added to easily grow solutions capabilities as networking standards and usage evolves. IFP provides the flexible object-oriented framework on which our multi-stage FlowAgent pipeline is built, enabling traffic filtering rules to be partitioned into multiple pipeline stages to deliver higher precision traffic filtering with fewer rules. It also makes it possible to deliver a true game changer, real-time pipeline visualization. This results in vastly improved user experiences and lower operational costs. And as CSPs have extensive and geographically distributed networks, NoviFlow also offers enhanced operational health monitoring software that provides a bird's-eye view of extensive fleet deployments of NoviFlow's NoviBroker, identifying problems at a glance, and a powerful drill-down capability that gets you to the root of problems usually within 2 clicks. So how is this technological advantage leveraged to make NoviFlow's network packet broker better than competitive offerings? In the context of the CSP market, existing network packet broker solutions essentially fall into 3 classes: traffic aggregators, advanced traffic aggregators, and advanced visibility platforms. The first, the traffic aggregator class, is characterized by multi-terabit throughput but supporting a feature set limited by the fixed function silicon on which it's implemented. The NoviBroker solution offers traffic aggregator functionality, plus many advanced features needed by CSPs: hashing on layer 2, layer 4 inner header, stripping packets of GTP tunnels, stripping packets of customer headers, removing packet payload at a fixed depth. However, these functions are included at the same price as the standard traffic aggregator offering and with full multi-terabit per second throughput. The second and third classes of network packet broker are advanced traffic aggregators and advanced visibility platforms, whose feature sets have been optimized to fulfill the needs of enterprise networks and general data centers. These solutions are offered at a huge increase in cost over standard traffic aggregators, and unhappily for CSPs, they implement a broad range of features, most of which are not needed by CSPs, but that they still have to pay for. On the other hand, NoviFlow's NoviBroker implements the traffic aggregator functionality plus only the advanced features needed by CSPs, and these features are delivered with full multi-terabit per second throughput, typically at a 1/5 or even a 1/6 the price of incumbent advanced visibility platforms. So a key question for CSPs is this one: why pay so much for capabilities you aren't using. The next question is, why NoviFlow? What's our secret sauce? The simple answer is that we have over 10 years of experience developing and deploying carrier-grade programmable network solutions. We don't wait for networking chip developers to implement new functions. We choose processors that let us program the silicon. Our solutions were amongst the first commercially deployed applications on the Intel Tofino chipset in CSP networks around the world. We have demonstrated both our deep understanding of P4 parsing and pipeline creation, as well as our ability to deliver technological solutions designed specifically to meet the requirements of CSPs, including scalability, multi-terabit per second capacity, and high availability. We have also delivered these solutions on a wide variety of white box platforms, enabling a range of disaggregation options and the total cost of ownership advantages of freedom of vendor choice. NoviFlow can develop in months what other packet broker vendors need years to deliver. And since this is software-based, we can easily deliver new innovations and expand feature sets via software upgrades. One of the key innovations of NoviBroker is the way we leverage the parsing and programmable features of Intel's IFP to create our FlowAgent multi-stage agent pipeline, making NoviBroker far easier to program and maintain. FlowAgent implements the object-oriented model across all its stages rather than using monolithic rules. Filtering rules in one stage can be subscribed by later stages in the pipeline. This reduces errors, is easier to program, and better isolates potential rule conflicts, as each rule can be modified in isolation, and the changes are then applied to all subsequent changes subscribing to these tools. In the last stage of the pipeline, streams can be replicated, load balanced, or otherwise manipulated in preparation to being forwarded to external network tools, such as analytics engines, machine learning, cybersecurity, or other third-party tool sets. In this first example, packets from ports 1 and 2 are aggregated into a group and then filtered based on MPLS label, with the selected packet forwarded to the egress filter, which filters on the inner source IP address. Traffic from multiple egress filters can then be aggregated before being forwarded to an external tool for analysis. The second example uses many of the same rules, but at the egress filter stage, the packets are replicated for multiple destinations. And in the third example, at the egress stage, the filtered output stream is load balanced across several instances of a cybersecurity tool. NoviFlow also offers enhanced operation monitoring options. Novi Analytics constantly monitors the health of NoviBroker, featuring over 150 hardware sensors, log files, metrics, and network statistics that give you instant access to a rich view of packet broker operational health. Novi Analytics also visualizes these characteristics in a simple but powerful interface, making it possible to instantly identify the root causes of operational problems. Unlike competing solutions, Novi Analytics monitors the monitoring, so you can easily distinguish if a fault lies in the actual network, in the configuration of packet broker rules, or in the tools monitoring the network itself. Another feature that sets Novi Analytics apart is our Pipeline Visualizer tool, which delivers a whole new way to visualize packet broker pipelines with a broad view of how each rule filters traffic from ports to tool sets. Novi Analytics Pipeline Visualization displays live Sankey diagrams, allowing network operations for the first time to see exactly how traffic is flowing through a packet broker pipeline in real time. It not only provides a bird's eye view of all flows, but also shows how each rule filters from ports to tool sets. In this view, it's possible to directly view all the rules that are provisioned into the packet broker pipeline. It displays the names of the rules and provides a heat map showing the actual path of traffic as packets go through each of the 4 stages from left to right. By clicking on it, we can even drill down to isolate what is happening in a specific segment of the path, giving an unprecedented view of how individual rules are impacting the flow of traffic through the pipeline. The second member of NoviFlow's operational monitoring suite is our Novi dashboard, which complements NoviBroker and Novi Analytics by providing fleet-level visibility without adding additional layers of complexity. Novi Dashboard's single pane of glass visualizes the operational health of all NoviBrokers deployed across the network, making it far easier to configure, operate, and maintain them. Novi Dashboard prioritizes the most critical information first, enabling operations to quickly identify issues. Event-driven updates give you instant status of each health category, and Site Health allows you to drill down from the global view to the individual Novi Analytics view to quickly identify the root causes of failures in just a few clicks. Here is a real-world example of how this works. This shows the fleet dashboard listing for the NoviBrokers in the network. We can see that the NoviWare Health Monitor shows a fault. We click on it to see the alarm port flapping shown in red. By clicking on it, we drill down to the specific Novi Analytics port details page for that instance of NoviBroker. Within 2 seconds, we get the details on the port that triggered the notification. We can highlight the area and get a better idea as to what was happening over time and see which ports were affected. We can even highlight specific events to isolate the specific port and time. So in seconds, we went from fleet view to the individual NoviBroker and identified the specific root cause of the fault. In conclusion, communication service providers are choosing NoviFlow's network packet brokering, monitoring, and analytics solution over those of industry incumbents. The reasons include multi-terabit per second throughput at a competitive price point, better management and monitoring with significant impact on OPEX, the powerful and flexible FlowAgent multi-stage pipeline with the advanced features CSPs need, and the visual pipeline view that significantly reduces the time needed to isolate and resolve faults. A final consideration is NoviFlow's demonstrated ability to deliver innovative new features in months, not years. This ensures that deployments of NoviBroker, Novi Analytics, and Novi Dashboard today will be able to evolve as your network evolves in the years to come. Thank you, and for more information, visit our website at www.noviflow.com.